Here are 50 amazing facts that you will 100% find interesting. Forge fungus by Everything Bite-Sized. Subscribe for more. Let's dive into the first 10 amazing facts that are sure to blow your mind. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Moving on, octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. And here's something cool. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Weird, right? Now let's talk about space. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. And did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches? It's mind-boggling. Now here's a fun one. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unique shape prevents it from rolling away, marking their territory efficiently. Also, a bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine that. Let's keep going. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer? The iron expands when it's hot, making the tower grow. And a snail can sleep for 3 years at a time. Talk about a power nap. Lastly, for this segment, did you know that the shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896? Zanzibar surrendered after 38 minutes. Here we go with more incredible facts. Did you know that there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe? It's true. Also, the longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. That's quite a gap. Now, let's talk about animals. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated. Isn't that sweet? Moving on, the inventor of the Pringles can is now buried in one. Fred Bauer, who invented the iconic can, requested to be buried in one, and his family honored his request. Here's a quirky one. In Switzerland, it is illegal to own just one guinea pig because they are social animals and need a companion. Did you know that the shortest commercial flight in the world is in Scotland? It connects the islands of Westray and Papa Westray and lasts just 1.5 minutes. Also, the world's largest snowflake on record was 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. It fell in Fort Keogh, Montana in 1887. Lastly, for this segment, did you know that the first oranges weren't orange? They were actually green. The original oranges from Southeast Asia were a tangerine pomelo hybrid, and they were green in color. And now for our final set of amazing facts. Did you know that the heart of a blue whale is so large that a human can swim through its arteries? That's incredible. Also in Japan, there are more pets than children. It's a fascinating cultural tidbit. Now here's a spicy fact. The hottest chili pepper in the world is the Carolina Reaper, which is over 2 million Scoville heat units. That's some serious heat. Moving on, the inventor of the Frisbee was turned into a Frisbee after he died. Walter Morrison, who invented the Frisbee, had his ashes turned into a Frisbee. Did you know that a baby octopus is about the size of a flea when it is born? Tiny but mighty. Also, the longest musical performance in history is currently taking place in a church in Germany. It's a 639-year-long performance of John Cage's composition, As Slow as Possible. Now, here's something intriguing. Did you know that the oldest Your Mum joke was discovered on a 3,500-year-old Babylonian tablet? Humor really is timeless. Lastly, for this segment, did you know that the inventor of the microwave appliance received only $2 for his discovery? Percy Spencer was working for Raytheon when he made the discovery, and the company paid him a token amount. And there you have it, folks. Amazing facts to blow your mind. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of the most fascinating and quirky tidbits our world has to offer. Remember, there's always something new to learn and discover. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what incredible fact you'll uncover next. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, take care.